Welcome back to Design Solutions with Emily. I'm about to show you how we got to here from where we started.
When I got my hands on this huge open room, I knew what I wanted to do. Paint it white, but also find ways to add in that warmth, that cozy feeling we all crave. Check out these beams. These are 18 feet long. This is a Douglas fir, solid piece of lumber. And we added a custom treatment that they can do by the linear foot. That's how they charge you for it. So it is very specialized, but I just think it turned out beautiful. It's not too rustic, but it adds that warmth and that age that's needed to keep a renovation from looking like a brand new construction. Building back into the character of a home with some age and making what was a massive empty space feel nice and snug. And our thanks to The Carpet Shop, your area flooring experts. Stop by their Springfield, Missouri showroom to check out my designer picks each month.